This is how you turn on private browsing on Safari on your iPhone. Just open Safari, this app right here. Tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner. Now we can see here we have the option to create a private tab. But first we're going to tap on all tabs. And we can also scroll between private and tools and the regular tabs right here. So if I tap this to open it again, tap on the three dots again, choose new private tab. This tab is going to be completely private. This is private browsing. It looks the same as regular browsing, but you'll notice nothing is pulled up when I go to YouTube because it has no history. There's no cookies, there's no history of this specific browser tab having been to YouTube, so it doesn't show any videos. That's one of the great benefits of private browsing. You can also lock the private browsing tab so that when you come to here, you have to use Face ID to open it. To do that, hop into the settings. On the main list of settings options, go to the very bottom and tap on apps. Tap on the S or scroll down to the S to find Safari, or you can use the search as well. Tap on Safari to open it, and here we can choose, if we scroll down, keep scrolling. Here it is. Require Face ID to unlock private browsing. Turn that on. And now if I go into here, we see immediately we have to use Face ID. Or if Face ID doesn't work, we can use our keypad. Let me just unlock this. There we go. And there's our private tabs back. Then if I swipe away and then swipe back, we have to do Face ID again. So as soon as you leave the private tabs, you need Face ID to see it again. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash on your iPhone. You probably haven't done this before, and you probably want to do it. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.